Alright, today guys I'm just going to show you, this is a Mercedes, this is a W204, this is Mercedes C300, it's a 2010. So guys, I'm just show you how to top up your power steering fluid. Let's say for example maybe your fluid is leaking and stuff like that. So to top it up guys, I'm just show you in a moment. So you come to driver's side, you just come under here, you just pull this red lever right here. It opens up the hood. Then guys, you come to the hood, come right here to the hood guys. You open up guys from right here, just open up like that. You take it all the way. And guys, when this opens up all the way, we have our engine right here. So where our power steering fluid guys is just right here down here. So what you do, you just pull this one up like this. Just pull from the side, then you take it out and you put on the side. Then guys, you have to take this guy too. You open from here and then you disconnect from behind here. You put it on the side. Now we have enough space right here guys. So guys, you just open to open guys is anti-clockwise, lefty, just like that. Oh, yeah. There we are guys. It's a bit tight, so you need to apply some energy. Then once it's done guys, you take it out like that. So when you see right here guys, you see the power steering, there's a level there, it's a maximum, and then there's a minimum, and then there's something right there. I can't like read it very well, but make sure guys the level is supposed to be on maximum. So guys, we need to top up a little bit of this. So guys, you make sure you buy the right amount of power steering. And then guys, you can just top it up just like that. Just top it all the way until to the level. There we are. I think that's the level guys. So once that it is, you keep using the same cup to measure it out to see if that's the required size. So you just lock it up, just lock it like that, and you take it back. Then guys, you see the level guys is coming up. I think you should be able to be in the level of maximum. So guys, once that is done, you're good to go. You just tighten it. You tighten clockwise. So once that's done guys, you can put the rest back, everything back like that. Okay, there we are. And guys, don't forget to put back the cover, which is in the front right here. And that is good. And guys, you're good to go. Alright, see you next time.